Very well, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm sorry I could not come up with a news episode yesterday because I was buzzing. I really had some important work to do. Plus, today afternoon the video did not come in, and plus there's a World Cup match coming up. So I'm definitely shooting this and probably bringing this episode at a very odd time. But come on, I'm still buzzing with that Ramsdale save and the fantastic Arsenal defensive performance, of course, offensive as well. So, what do we have in this episode? Of course, we're going to talk about the after game effects, Calvin Phillips to Arsenal. Yes, IG is a madman. But more importantly, is this career over for Bernd Leno? Let me know in the comments what do you think about Bernd Leno. Is his career over? I'm sure. I mean, I don't know what's the reason. Maybe what Ramsdale brings to the table is along with the saves. I know Leno can do those saves, outrageous saves that he's done and bailed out Arsenal, but we needed someone who's commanding, who's a captain material, who's actually communicating with his defense already. There's a captain ahead like Aubameyang, but then there's a goalkeeper who's commanding his defenses, who's commanding his fullbacks, who's commanding his centre backs, this and that. I think that is what we want. We want someone who's an alpha, and probably, I'm so sorry to say this, but Bernd Leno, I love him. I love him. I know he does not. He wants to take over the German national team goalkeeping position. Of course, Neuer is not getting younger. Marc-Andre ter Stegen is proper Barcelona material. But my God, one thing that is really coming up is that Leno might definitely leave very soon. I think he's going to leave in the summer transfer window. I don't think so in January anyone would come for him, but he'll definitely push to get out in the summer transfer window. I don't know what's going to happen. So that's what my take is. So let's talk about the news that we have. Of course, we've got some really fantastic news for you guys. Martin Keown had a lot to say about the game. Well, he spoke about Ramsdale. He spoke about a lot. He says about Ramsdale. He says, you talk about building reputations. So when you look over your shoulder and you see a proper goalkeeper, and you can say that about him today. Since he's been at the club, he's been fantastic in this role, and now he's a regular in the England squad. He's going from strength to strength. He's really reliable at the moment. Everyone's really contributing for Arsenal today. Unbelievable. And not only that, what did he speak about? Gabriel. He says Gabriel, Ben White forming a really good partnership for me. They've got everything. And talking about Aaron Ramsdale, Arteta says he has settled in a group that's very welcoming, that has young energy and humble senior players that accommodate you straight away. Then Aaron's character, he's full of energy. He can transmit that energy and that passion, and they have great chemistry between them. And talking about Saka reaching 100 Arsenal games, did you know that? I did not know that. I'm so sorry to, being an idiot to not know this. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, Arteta on Saka says, I think he's earned every minute he has played. First of all, with his character, how humble he is, and how willing he is all the time to learn, and then how well he's playing. He's so good. He's affecting the games in many different ways. Talking about Tomiyasu, Arteta said, I'm delighted to have him. First of all, as a person, he's such a great character. He's doing all the right things, top professional, and he's giving us a lot of composure in the back line. The way he defends and understands the work that we want to do with him has been top. The adaptation and way he's done it deserves a lot of credit. And not only this, talking about climbing up on the table, he says we need to carry on. We haven't done anything. We won a couple of matches. We are not where we want to be still. There are a lot of things to improve. Let's keep humble, working hard, and go game by game. And that's one thing that's really, really frustrating for even me. Where is Kieran Tierney? So Arteta says he did not train with the team yesterday, and he still wasn't feeling good. He is still in pain. He's not comfortable when he's running, so he was struggling. We're trying to help him as much as possible. We need him back, and I don't know when that will be. Talking about the win, Arteta said, I'm really pleased with the way we played, the character we showed right from the beginning to be dominant and impose the game we wanted to play. That's the fantastic thing. That's the fantastic thing. Before getting on to Ramsdale, Mikel Arteta on Ramsdale says, we invest money in talent and people that we believe can be great for the future of the club. We made the decision based on that. Aaron has had some really encouraging performances. He made some incredible saves to help the team. It's the only start. I've just seen a picture talking about Ramsdale's save. Mikel said, I've just seen a picture. I haven't seen the video footage yet. My reaction when I saw the ball leaving Maddison's foot, I said goal. I don't know how it happened. It was incredible, and the moment and the timing of it was for us was crucial. Well, Ramsdale thinks this is what he said. I just felt like today we weren't going to get beaten. Even when they had chances, it was me or the lads blocking it or the strikers closing the ball down. On his wonderful save, Ramsdale says it's just all about reactions. He couldn't really whip it like he normally does. From then on, it's about explosion. If you get there, you get there. If not, you don't. It's just one of those that can go either way. Brendan Rodgers also spoke about the Ramsdale save. He says he made some great saves. At the end of the first half, it's a big save from the free kick, and then his second action to get up was very good. In the second half, he made some fantastic save. Well, this is what Sambi posted on his Instagram stories. He says, I can just appreciate the work. Oh, yes. Yes, we can. 8 saves, kept a clean sheet, and outrageous performance. Aaron Ramsdale, definitely the man of the evening. And talking about Aubameyang, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Emil Smith-Rowe shared this image with the caption, enjoy your weekend, Gunners. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Well, even Brendan Rodgers is a fan, ladies and gentlemen. What else do you need? What else do you need? And also, Gabriel Magalhaes made more clearances, 7 clearances, than any other player on the pitch against Leicester, while no player won more aerial duels than him as well. 3 aerial duels for him. Fantastic performance, fantastic work, and this is a beautiful gesture from Aaron Ramsdale. Well, he's becoming the Arsenal fan favourite. You just love things now. And Gabriel Magalhaes is now unbeaten in his last 14 starts for Arsenal across all competitions. Unfreaking believable. Ramsdale said, my mum, dad and my friend were in the stands. My girlfriend is working, but they follow me all around the country. The kids just keep coming with more signs asking for my shirt. It's hard to say no to them. My boots and shirt are gone, says Aaron Ramsdale. So after the Manchester United victory over Tottenham Hotspurs, I swear to God, that is a dead team, Tottenham, man. But Arsenal are in 6th spot, a Europa League spot. So that's something good to talk about. So, well, talking about Aaron Ramsdale, Ian Wright rightfully is a big fan. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Ian Wright is a big fan. Well, it's what he said after the game about Aaron Ramsdale. So he says, I thought Arsenal were dominant. We were talking about someone who was ridiculed. Arsenal were ridiculed for paying the money for him just because he's a 23-year-old goalkeeper who has had 2 seasons in the Premier League. I think it has stood him in a good stead. His distribution is absolutely fantastic. The confidence and what he has brought to his dressing room is fantastic. It is magnificent. Then there are the fantastic saves, fingertip saves. This from the Maddison's free kick is the save of the season. It is magnificent. He got a bit of luck after it, but what he did for Arsenal was fantastic. Leicester has had a period where Arsenal could have crumbled, but he kept Arsenal in the game, and without a doubt, he must be close to pushing Jordan Pickford for the England #1 spot. He's young and he will make mistakes, but he was excellent. I love what he did when the Leicester fans sang to him and he turns and gives it back to them. That was fantastic. It was Vardy-esque. That's what Jamie Vardy does. Yeah, he does. That's why we love Jamie Vardy. Moving on, Alan Shearer believes that Johnny Evans should have been sent off. So what did he have to say? Alan Shearer believes that. He says, Johnny Evans, it is the inconsistency that drives players and coaches mad. That is without a doubt a clear goal scoring opportunity, yet Michael Oliver thinks that it is only a yellow card. That was the wrong decision for me. No fullback is getting back and Aubameyang would have been clean through and he gives a yellow card. Wrong decision. It should have been a red. The referee gets that one wrong. Laporte, it is a goal scoring opportunity and that is denying a goal scoring opportunity. That is a red card. But it is the inconsistency with the referees. Of course it is. It is, and we hate that, don't we? Well, talking about different stuffs, well, it looks like there are concerns over Miguel Aziz loan spell at Portsmouth. It's not going well, and I love Miguel Aziz, and when I see him not getting much game time, I don't like it. So Aziz actually played 59 minutes in Portsmouth's 2-1 defeat to Cambridge United in September, and since then he's not featured. Unbelievable, man. I hate it. There may be any reasons, but if that's the case, I think Arsenal need to do. Yeah, they need to get the player back in January and look at some other club that would want Miguel Aziz. I'm sure a lot of other clubs would want Miguel Aziz, man. He's not that bad at all. So it looks like Galatasaray have actually agreed personal terms and are in January. Mohamed Elneny will be leaving Arsenal for sure. Well, let's see if that happens or not. And here comes the big part. So Aaron Ramsdale, what he did was on Instagram, he shared this beautiful Superman save, and he says, "Enjoy." And look at the comments. Ben White, GOAT, Gabriel, oh wow, look at Emil, Arsenal, and now look at Calvin Phillips. Calvin Phillips sending all the Arsenal fans into unbelievable. I mean, I don't know if you believe it or not. I'll take Calvin Phillips because we need a character like that at Arsenal as well. A proven match winner, and of course, someone who's definitely always attentive. I mean, Calvin Phillips would be a fantastic player. Let me know in the comments, would you guys take Calvin Phillips? Just on the basis of this, I believe he might come to Arsenal. How foolish am I? So if you want to have fun with IG, he's always there on Twitter doing a match day after the match day. And right now, I'll try to be more and more active, active on Twitter. Guys, pray for Sergio Aguero. We don't know much about. He got a chest complaint during a game against I think who did they play against? Elche. I don't know. They played. They had a La Liga game, and he was straight away taken to the hospital. Please pray for him. Yeah, and take care. All the best, and COYG. I hope you're enjoying your night and evening, and of course, the weekend.